In this video, I'll be showing you how to create organic viral TikToks for your dropshipping store. These can easily generate 10K a day, but there's a process that you must follow. Putting out content without a strategy almost always results in 0 views. Follow this guide and you'll have steady sales well into Q4. My name's Alex. Remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and sign up for our Winning Products newsletter in the description below. We have a lot to go over. Let's get started. If you don't already have a winning product, you can easily find one just scrolling through TikTok and checking certain hashtags like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds. Once you have a product selected, order it yourself to start shooting custom content. You can always use free content from the internet to get started, but it's always better to record it yourself and plan all of your promotions. You can also check using an AdSpy tool just like my Nia. This allows you to spy on Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, TikTok ads, other shops, as well as influencer promotions and so much more. I'll leave a link below if you guys are interested. They have a free plan to get you started, and this is really the only AdSpy tool that I use these days. Now let's talk about the 3-step process to creating viral TikToks. Also, be sure to watch several other videos of your own product so that you guys get ideas for your own custom content. So let's talk about it. Step 1 is you guys need to create a hook with every TikTok you're making from here on out. You must create a hook and grab your viewers' attention within the first 1 to 3 seconds. Otherwise, they will scroll past that video on to the next, and it needs to be interesting so people will stick around and wonder what is next within your video. This can be done in several different ways. You guys can add confusion or curiosity. You guys can ask a question or make some sort of a bold statement. You guys can make this problem oriented where you highlight a common problem that your customers face and simply sell them the solution within your TikTok. You guys can make a list or simply follow the other trends that are currently trending on TikTok. Alright, step number 2, each scene needs to be fast and attention grabbing. So TikTok is a fast-paced environment where users go for entertainment. Usually you'll have just a couple of seconds to hook your customers and get them interested in your video. To keep them watching, you need to make each scene fast, informative, and setting up for the next. Use storytelling elements to boost your audience retention. So you guys can use quick cuts and instant transitions, remake your best performing TikToks, and you guys can actually remake them word for word or into some sort of a series. You guys want to use on-screen text, graphics, and relevant sounds, and always keep it organic. Your UGC content performs so much better than your traditional dropshipping and Facebook ads. You guys will find this very fast when you get started with TikTok advertising and TikTok organic. Alright, last but not least, step number 3, you guys need to have a clear call to action. This needs to be organic and not too pushy and definitely not salesy. So include a clear call to action. This can be like follow, click link, or purchase, but never make it seem like a sales pitch, but rather a helpful guide for your viewers. You guys can offer incentives like discount codes or flash sales, and you guys want to use the link in your bio to get your customers to your website, or have an easy to remember domain name and tell them to go directly to your website if you guys are under 1,000 followers and don't yet have that website link on your profile feature available to you. So a couple examples of a call to action right here that you guys can throw in your TikToks are, you can say you can find it by clicking the link in our bio, use code TikTok for 20% off, or like and follow to get one for free. That's just a great way to boost your engagement, like your likes, your views, your follows, and everything else. Now that you know what goes into a viral TikTok, just start producing them as soon as you can get your product in your hands. The more that you create, the higher chance of success you have. Also, your skills will improve with the more that you make. If you found any value in this video, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll even reveal my exact product. Don't forget to check out our many ecom resources in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.